Another clarification that we want to make is about the exception pointing to a patient that is syndicated. If the exception, when you're building the exception, and that exception major criterias are based on customer name, on syndication, that will not be taken account, because customers that don't have that exception might not apply. So because that particular patient splits the account in multiple owners on the syndication condition, if your exception is based on a customer name, wise option ignores. Therefore, exceptions you create in the program that are based on the customer name or customer tag, when you use the charges into the patient file, it will take place only if the patient is not syndicated. Now, if you create the exception which major base criteria is not the owner, but instead either the name of the patient or the tag of the patient or conditions related to the patient, not necessarily the owner. Owner is out of scope. If the condition is primarily based to the patient file itself, then regardless if that patient is syndicated or not, the exception will be applied. Exceptions don't apply in syndication for major exceptions based on customer name, because one exception might apply to a certain partner in that animal and may not apply to a different partner in that animal file. So to avoid conflicts or questions, we decided not to apply those type of exceptions when it's based on the customer file. But you still have the chance to create your exceptions based on the tags, on the on the particular patient file, on the condition, and then you can go off that. So just to clarify about syndications on exceptions and how it applies. Thanks for watching.